In this video we're going to go over a very simple population projection, and of course this will not be an extremely accurate one because we're just getting started, but we'll go over more accurate population projections in the future. So the first thing we need to do is create a header telling the user what's going on. This is a simple, inaccurate, ignore the bad spelling, I'm not the best spelling, I'm not very good at spelling, population projection. Alright. And we'll go to another line, make that look neat. Get a little space in between there. So, let's say we have a town. Start out with... we need to get some headers on this chart. We're going to make another chart like we did in the last video. Let's say initial... let's say year. So we'll have what year we're in. And then we'll put some tabs there. Actually, we can do all this header on one line. So go with tab, 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 and then we'll go population. And that right there. Okay, let's see. Every year, let's have 100 people. Now let's go 50 people move to the town. And we'll say 20 people move out. And we'll say nobody dies, nobody is born. So we're going to put as many constraints on this as possible. Alright. Initial population is 1,000. And that's too many zeros. That was 10,000, but we're going to go with 1,000. So year 0. And we'll put some tabs there. And then we want to print the number that the population would be. It would be the initial population plus the 50 people that move in minus the 20 people that move away. Oh, and we, like most math expressions, we need to put this inside the parentheses, otherwise we're going to run into a few errors. And if you're looking at this, you're probably thinking, hey, there's a much better way to write this. And there is, but we're not going to do it. Or at least I'm not. You can in your program. Well, year 2, it will be 100 plus 50 plus... we'll lose the 20 people. But we got 50 for the second year. And we lost 20 more. Actually, we'll call it year 1, year 2. Year 0 will be population is just going to stay at 1,000, and we already know that number, so we can just print it without worrying about doing the pluses or minus. And we'll start making it a little bit more efficient here, although there's definitely a better way. We'll say the population at this point would be 1,000 plus 50 people have moved there 3 times, so 50 times 3, and 20 people have moved away twice, so 20 times 3, and that should be good there. We'll make the next line even more efficient if I can stop hitting that caps lock key whenever I don't want to. Year 4, we will have, let's see, year 4 will be 1,000 people, but if you notice, every year 50 people move in, 20 move out, so it's basically like we're getting 30 equals 1,000 plus 30, and that'll be the 4th time 30 people have moved in. And we'll do this one more time, we'll just get 5 years out, so 5, tab tab, and then 1,000. If I can start those parentheses, this will be right. 1,000 plus 30 times 5, and I forgot my plus sign back here. Okay, so this should be working just fine. we should notice a linear growth rate, 1000. Oh, well, looks like I forgot some zeros in these two parts up here. Now it should be working good. Notice this is the linear growth rate that we would expect. It's going up by 30 each time. My population there is not at the right area. Okay, yeah, there it is. That looks good. Anyways, we will go into more in depth about how to do a more accurate population chart later, taking into account, like so many people are born every year, a certain percentage are born. This will get a lot more complicated later on. But for now, that's all we need to do. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video. Next video, I think we're going over variables, but if you're in the playlist, you can just look to the right and see that. Anyways, if something wasn't clear, please let me know, and I'll try to clarify it for you. Thanks for watching.